Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gita Artheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in the present age of darkness known as the Kali Yuga. Today, we are going to learn Shlok number 118, Constant Contemplation at Sadhana of Guru Dhyana.
स्वयं तथा विधो भूत्वा स्थातव्यं यत्र कुत्रचित् कीटभ्रमरवत् तत्र ध्यानं भवति तादृशम्.
After becoming like the Supreme, one may live anywhere. Just as a caterpillar is transformed into a butterfly by constantly meditating on the latter, likewise one should meditate on the Lord to become like Him. Moths build house and keep their prey, an insect, at the entrance of it. Then the insect sits there too, with such an air and in such position, all the time pricking the worm, as if it is going to eat it at any moment. The poor worm gets frightened and is constantly looking at and thinking about the insect only. It cannot turn anywhere nor see anything. Thus, the result of this constant meditation is that the worm itself gets wings and it flies and escapes. This nature's law works in spiritual world also. As we think, so we become. The outer form also is changed. The seeker should take the advantage and help of this law, and by contemplation on Brahma should reach the state of perfection. This stage tells this path of meditation. Guru is the form of Brahma. Therefore, Guru Murti Dhyana can become the sadhana of realization of Brahma. To remember Guru constantly becomes sadhana. The mind then takes the same form and becomes one with the object of meditation. If pregnant woman thinks of good form and good thoughts, the infant gets good form and good impressions. Contemplation is thus a very effective means. The continuous flow of thought goes a long way to help in meditation. The seeker therefore should take care of his chitta, the mind without thoughts and intellect without desires. The worldly thoughts spoil chitta. The fire burns the body while worry pollutes the chitta. The mind should be given thoughts of Guru, then worries will be changed into contemplation. Mind will be restful. The main means of sadhana is mind. The chitti, divine power in and out of the whole world, is chitta in narrow form. If chitta is not functioning well, then life has no meaning. The man becomes mad. The seeker should see off and on what thoughts the mind entertains from time to time. The chitta must be given Brahmachintana, Guru Smarana only. This truth should not be neglected. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai.